WhatsApp has revealed the launch of chat themes, offering users the freedom to personalize their conversations using custom colors for both chat bubbles and backgrounds. The encrypted messaging platform is also integrating 30 new wallpaper options to help users further customize their chat experience. The new customization options allow you to either select from preset themes that modify both chat bubbles and backgrounds simultaneously, or mix and match colors to create your unique combinations. Notably, you can apply a unified theme across all your conversations and channels, but the new options mean you also have the flexibility to customize individual chats with different themes. WhatsApp stated that these customizations are currently visible only to the user who sets them, so personal preferences won't affect other people in the conversation. To set a default theme for all chats, navigate to Settings, Chat's default chat theme. For individual chat customization, simply tap the chat name at the top of the screen. The new theme options are launching and will become available to all WhatsApp users soon.